Research databases are library tools that help you locate articles on a particular topic or by specific authors or titles. How do I access library databases? You can access our databases from any internet connection 24/7 by going to our website at www.quincycollegelibrary.org. Once there, click on Databases in the quick menu tools on the right-hand side of the screen. Choosing from all of the databases available at QC Libraries can be overwhelming. You can use the table of contents to limit databases by subject. If you're not sure where to start, try one of our general databases. Most databases have an icon next to them that you can click for help with searching. Academic OneFile and Academic Search Premier are both good choices to start with because they cover a variety of topics and include both scholarly articles and popular news and magazine sources. Let's do a sample search in Academic OneFile. Click on the icon to open the database. If you are off campus and prompted for login information, enter your MyQC portal username and password. Remember, library databases are different from internet search engines like Google. You need to search for keywords rather than typing in a whole question. Let's say you need to find information on a career in nursing. You can start by doing a basic search using the keywords nursing career. If your results are not specific enough, you can always add more keywords to your search, like nursing career and burnout. You will be able to limit your search results further by using the toolbar on the right. Select articles from academic journals, magazines, or newspapers. Checking the full text documents box will assure you can access the full text of the article instantly. Click on the title to open an article. Scroll down for the full text or download the PDF. Use the tools on the right-hand side to save, print, email, or even translate your article. You can also click on citation tools to get the source citation in MLA, APA, or Chicago style. If you need assistance starting your research or searching in any of our databases, just ask a librarian for help.